Imagine waking up to find Ethereum has just experienced what traders call a God candle, a massive price surge that sent shockwaves through the entire crypto market. This isn't just another price pump. This is the story of how institutional adoption, regulatory shifts, and billion-dollar predictions are reshaping the cryptocurrency landscape forever. While crypto enthusiasts celebrated Ethereum's surge to new all-time highs above $4,867, a darker reality lurked beneath the surface. Major exchanges like Coinbase are under siege from sophisticated attacks, with North Korean hackers infiltrating remote workforces to steal billions in digital assets. But here's what most people missed. Three critical developments this week signal a fundamental shift that could determine whether crypto becomes the backbone of global finance or falls victim to security vulnerabilities and regulatory uncertainty. First, the institutional tsunami is here. Coinbase just released projections showing the stablecoin market will explode to $1.2 trillion by 2028. Think about that. That's more than the GDP of most countries. This means the US Treasury will need to issue $5.3 billion per week in short-term bills just to satisfy demand from stablecoin issuers. Second, the security awakening is forcing evolution. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong revealed that North Korean IT workers are graduating from specialized schools every quarter, 500 new cyber warriors whose sole mission is stealing cryptocurrency. In response, Coinbase is implementing fingerprinting, US citizenship requirements, and mandatory in-person training for all employees accessing sensitive systems. Third, the cycle analysis reveals opportunity. Despite predictions that institutional adoption would break Bitcoin's 4-year halving cycle, Glassnode analytics confirm the pattern remains intact. Long-term holders are taking profits at levels comparable to past euphoric phases, suggesting we're later in the cycle than most realize. The numbers tell the story. Ethereum jumped 13% in minutes, following Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's Jackson Hole speech. Bitcoin sits at $116,967, with 91.5% odds of a September interest rate cut, up from 75% just days before. Meanwhile, the Philippines is positioning itself as a regional crypto leader, proposing a strategic reserve of 10,000 Bitcoin worth $1.1 billion at current prices. Here's the bottom line. We're witnessing the intersection of institutional adoption, security evolution, and cyclical opportunity that happens maybe once in a generation. The question isn't whether crypto will transform global finance. It's whether you'll position yourself before the trillion-dollar stablecoin era Armstrong predicts arrives by 2028. The institutions are betting big. The hackers are getting sophisticated. The cycles are still working. Your move.